What is up, guys? It is a random Tuesday right now. We leave for our East Coast road trip in just over a week, and we've been talking about some modifications to the van based on what we experienced on our West Coast road trip last year, and also based on a couple of our smaller trips this year. So Andy has pulled out one of the drawers, and we're looking at reorganizing, cleaning, and cutting out what we don't need. So what's going on, Andy?
Well, we cleaned the drawer and then I dumped a bunch of soot back into it, so that was exciting. But yeah, like we have a bunch of stuff and it just doesn't sit very well in this space, or at least it didn't. We got it all in, so everything you see from here to here was all in the drawer. So just trying to make it a little bit more efficient. It was really annoying having to open the drawer all the way to access stuff like the burner, which we needed all the time. And then also the burner and the actual fuel to do the burning was on opposite sides of the drawer. Anyways, I don't know what the solution is, but that's the goal, is to make it better organized.
Hello, hello! We are now less than a week out from hitting the road for our East Coast road trip, where we're going to be spending 3 weeks heading to the East Coast and back. And we are in full prep mode to, number one, clean the van because it needs a really...
Okay, T almost died. Some technical difficulty there. Let's resume.
Okay, like I was saying, we are less than a week out from heading out on our East Coast road trip. First of all, yes, I'm good. Yeah, okay, we're good.
All right.
Okay, first of all, yes, I'm good. Okay.
One more time.
I'm not sure I want to get in a van with you for 3 weeks. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, anyways.
We are less than a week away.
Less than a week away for a 3-week there and back.
Okay, Vanski number one needs a deep clean. We have not done that yet.
Check it out. It's so dusty.
So dusty, and there's also just stuff everywhere. My hat's just laying there. We've got some socks and shoes, and I think that's a box of masks. And then the other thing is we have like some minor upgrades that we want to make based on, number one, our last road trip, and also based on the heat this summer and some of the camping trips we've gone on. So we're in the van right now to test out some of these changes we're going to make. So number one, this thing right here that holds random items is completely ripped. Like, this has completely ripped open. So we bought a replacement one. It's just from the dollar store.
We might actually get rid of this in general. We should actually talk about the biggest upgrade, which is like right here. There's nothing here right now, but we are planning on building a little box with a drawer, so maybe we'll take some of this stuff and put it under. I don't know, who knows?
We'll see what happens there. Now, the next thing that we're testing out is in the heat of the summer, it gets very hot in here, and we need some more airflow. So we had this idea, or Andy had this idea, to buy those like little mini fans and put them on each side at the back so that they can push air forward, and then our fan on the ceiling will also help with the airflow. Now, we didn't want to spend a whole bunch of money on this in case it does not work, so we opted for battery powered fans. However, you can buy these mini fans that are USB powered, which if this does work, we would probably upgrade to eventually. But to start, we bought mini fans from Dollarama, as you can see, Dollarama bag. They're battery powered, so we bought rechargeable batteries as well, and we are going to put them at the back and see if those help with the airflow. I think that's all the upgrades that we're going to work on today. We have a few more that we're going to make in the van, but we'll show you those once we get to them. All right, enough talking. Let's upgrade. So these are the mini fans that we got from Dollarama. They're pretty cheap plastic fans, but you can see, where's the start button, Andy? Oh, on the side here. It works. Feel some air. I mean, it's a little bit of air, but it's something.
Well, really, what we really need to do is to push all the hot air that's sitting at the top, at the back of the van forward. So, if you are ever in this situation where you have a van and you're using just one of these max air fans to extract heat, what you want to do is you want to pull all the heat out, since if you blow in, suck in, you're just pushing all the heat back down. So what we want to do is we want to effectively help our fan here suck all the heat out by using other fans. Alright, explain.
Or do we want it like this?
Yeah, I think upside down.
You think upside down?
Yeah.
Versus this way?
Yeah, because honestly, what we want is we want to just keep, we don't want to blow all the hot air down, so.
You want like this?
Sure.
Okay.
Alright, so we've decided. Show us again before you peel.
It's gonna go right here.
Okay. Velcro.
Oh yeah. I think that is firmly on there.
Okay, well. That actually moves some air.
Yeah.
Alright.
Now, if we need to take it off to do the batteries, got Velcro here, got the Velcro pads there. Make sure they're really stuck on there. And we just push it back in.
It doesn't look like much, but I'm telling you, this is gonna be really good on those really hot nights. We saw this already. There was a huge difference between temperature here and temperature over. What are you doing? And over here, because we usually keep the front windows open, and that's where air comes in. So this is really going to help push all of that hot air across. Okay, Tia got overzealous and tore off the tag, but we've been keeping our shoes over here. Honestly, it was a mess, so we got a little bucket thingy. Nothing too, oh, it's a square. Okay, well, nothing too special, but it's just too...
No! I think it's too tall.
It's too tall.
Okay, that one's a bust.
This one is a bit of a bust. Maybe we can find it somewhere else in the van to use, or, well, it's a dollar store, so I don't think you can return it. But maybe we'll just use a clear plastic bin or something to contain all the shoes.
Actually, I have one in mind. I'll be right back.
Okay, be right back.
Okay, so also a dollar store bucket that we've had for a while. It's a little bit cracked, but we want this for shoes, so let's see if it fits. Okay, a little bit tight, but maybe that's good because it'll hold it in place. Oh, yeah, that's not bad.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
Nice. It's a nice find.
It's not bad. $0, at least current spending.
Well, it was apparently $3 at some point.
At some point it was $3, but right now, $0. Okay, so the next upgrade, which again will help with ventilation, is a bug net over here. Now, we know this fits, so this is a bit of a life hack, or a van life hack. This Gertrude from IKEA. I think this thing was what, like $3 or something like that?
No, it's more than that. It's like 10, 15.
Okay, fine, $10. It actually fits perfectly right around here, but yeah, there's the only thing is that I don't we weren't sure how we're gonna attach it. Well, we bought these neodymium magnets, these ones over here, and they were okay, but it wasn't very secure. So we brought out the big guns, much bigger. These guys right over here. Whoa. So we're gonna use these guys and try to attach it to up here all around.
Can we also just state that getting custom fit bug nets will cost you like hundreds of dollars?
Yeah, I think we looked into it. It was at least a couple of $100. This was what, I think in total like
$20.
$20, yeah. So let's give it a shot. All right, so just some magnets. Now, oh right, we needed them down here, otherwise it wasn't gonna go low enough. So that's like one huge thing that I've noticed. You can do a lot with magnets in these vans, which we should have thought about this beforehand, because the whole thing is just a metal frame. And voila, bug net. Whoa, welcome to stage 2 of upgrading Vanski. Today we're gonna get started on building the box. Tia actually found a really good deal on Facebook Marketplace and bought us a table saw, so we don't need to like hand saw it, but it's gonna be a really simple thing like this. We got these measurements from the van, and it's going to be built something like this. We want a little bit of storage on the bottom, probably just gonna use a plastic bin or something, and then the fridge is just going to sit in here.
Alrighty, so this is a bunch of the material that we actually have left over from our build last year that's just been kind of chilling out in our garage. We kept it for purposes exactly like this. So we're just trying to figure out which wood we're going to use to build this box. It's going to pretty much be a Frankenstein box. So Andy was saying we'll probably use this ugly one on the bottom because it's about 1 inch thick, which is how much we need to raise it off the ground. And then we might use just mix and match for the rest of them. So this is our brand new table saw that we just picked up yesterday from Marketplace.
New to us.
New to us. So we're just bolting it onto the stand and we're gonna get started. We can never get through something without a hitch. We have somehow lost the drill bit for our drill, the only drill bit that we have. Andy's now going to use a hand screw and hope that it works. I think it's working just fine.
Okay, live update. We have 3-4 sides of the box, and now it's going to be kind of the more iffy part, which is we're gonna put the shelf in and we're gonna have to cut a piece for the front here.
Okay, moment of truth. Let's get these out of here. Okay.
Nice. Think this will work?
Well, here it is in all its glory. Andy's vision conceptualized. We've even got space over here to put like water bottles and stuff. Open the fridge, show us the fridge. Nice, the fridge is there. And then we also have drawers under here. We right now are planning to use these plastic bins, but I think eventually we'll probably want to make some sort of drawer because getting this other bin, yeah, getting that other bin out is gonna suck.
It's not gonna be that. Okay, it's a little bit bad.
It's a little bit deep.
Well, we'll tape them together or something. It is what it is.